Testing which aircraft can take off the 100 meters long runway, Part 46. Aircraft, B-17 G60VE. With full armament payload. Heavy engine torque on this big boy. The B-17 is pretty slow, but its wings are so massive and flaps so big, it often has no problem creating lift at very low speeds. Easy takeoff from this ramp. Aircraft, English Electric Lighting F6, the polar opposite of the B-17. Fast with loads of engine power, but with small wings that are optimized for high speeds. Even the flaps don't feel like much help here. Great as a landmower though.